Hello friends, in today's video we're gonna be using this Wynns diesel EGR valve cleaner spray. It's got very simple straightforward instructions how to use it, and it tells you step by step what to do with it. And so that's what we're gonna use. This product we bought it from Halford for $10.99. Okay, we're gonna start the car up and leave the engine running at idle for 5 minutes before we start spraying this aerosol into BMW 1 series. Right, the best place to spray this aerosol is after the mass flow sensor, which I'm just pointing out to you. So we're just gonna undo the Jubilee clip, and this is where we're gonna be spraying the whole aerosol can. This aerosol is 150 ml, so we're gonna start spraying it slowly. So to start off with, it's gonna be a very little amount, and then we're just gonna increase it, and we have to finish the whole aerosol can on this car. That's the manufacturer's recommended process. That's the recommendation. You'll notice that when you spray the aerosol, the revs fluctuate, and that's completely normal. So to start off with, you do it slowly, little amount, and then you increase the amount, and that's what you have to do. This is the most effective way to clean the EGR valve without stripping it, taking it off the car and cleaning it or replacing it. It's going to remove all the tar and all the sticky composite of the EGR valve. As I mentioned, that you have to empty the whole aerosol can. This was recommended by the top mechanics, so that's the main reason why we are using it on this car. The reason we are bypassing the air mass flow is that it's not safe to use it on air mass flow sensor. recommended that you finish all aerosol can on one car, and then leave the engine running for 5 minutes, and then you need to take it out for a spin for like 10 minutes, and you shouldn't exceed 3000 RPMs while you are driving. And when you bring the car back to the stationary position, just leave the engine running for another 5 minutes, and then you can turn the engine off. And by doing that, it's gonna solve the problem. It's gonna free the EGR valve, sticking valve. All the carbon will be removed from the EGR valve. Right, now that I've emptied the whole aerosol can, I'm just gonna put the air filter pipe back into its place. Gonna secure the jubilee clip. As I mentioned, it's highly efficient when you use the manufacturer's instructions. Thank you very much for watching the video.